Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a double-sided stamping technique featuring the Hey Chick stamp set with its coordinating dies. So I'm going to be using my Stamparatus as well as my silicone mat and the Memento black ink. So what I'm going to do is ink up the chicken with the big fluffy head with my Memento black ink. I'm going to ink that up and stamp it 3 times. Or you could stamp it as many times as you would like to get that ink nice and dark. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer that over to my silicone mat. I'm using a piece of paper towel so that friction could be a little more easier when I'm rubbing it. You could also use your water-based ink, because in this technique you're not going to be using your alcohol markers because they'll bleed through. This double-sided stamping is good for your pop-up cards where you want the back of your images to look the same as the front of your images. Click on the icon above here to check out my other video on reverse mirror stamping. If you guys would like to see more tutorial like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you could be notified when I upload my latest videos. So next what we're going to do is take a piece of white cardstock and we're going to lay that carefully over the image and the silicone mat. I'm going to take the magnet and hold that in place. Then we're going to go ahead and ink our image up once again with our Memento black ink. Then we're going to close that hinge door, rub that image good into our cardstock. If you're getting creative value, please go ahead and smash the like button down below. Next, I'm going to gently lift the cardstock off of the silicone mat, and look at that. We have a double-sided image. And we're going to go ahead and take the die and cut that out. You could fussy cut that or hand cut that out too as well. And it's that simple. Thank you guys for tuning into my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.